If you have started seeing something like this growing around your genital area, something like this growing around your you see, it's like this. It's like this growing around your genital area. You need to watch this video, it's very important. So how do you clear genital warts? First of all, genital warts, it is spreading. A lot of people are getting this condition, and I've seen countless of messages about genital warts, and even I'm shocked. I think we have to pay attention to this question. So genital warts, it's caused by a virus. That virus is called HPV, human papilloma virus, and that virus, you can only get it through sex. If someone is having it and you have sex with a person, you can easily get this virus, and this virus is not easy to go. To treat it, it's not easy at all. So you have this virus living inside you, and this virus will give you some signs and symptoms like this warts. Okay, so when they are inside you, they'll produce a wart around your genital area. Okay, some people, theirs is growing inside their vagina, so they can't see. Most of them have grown outside their private area. Some too around their anus, some too around their going down to their anus. It will not be comfortable seeing this thing growing around your vagina, seeing this thing growing around your penis. It is really embarrassing. So how can we get rid of it? So first of all, for the virus, they will live in you, but they will produce something like this. You need to take care of it. You need to remove it. So if you have money, you can go to the hospital. They will remove the wart for you. They have a procedure they use to remove the wart for you. If you don't have money, they have a natural remedy to remove it. So I'll talk about 3 ways to remove this wart around your genital area. First thing is look for aspirin. Yes, just look for aspirin. You make it a powder form and use a small water to make it like a paste. Okay, then you apply it around the warts. Make sure you apply it around your warts. Then you get something to cover it. Leave it for 3 to 4 hours. Do it every day. Then remove it. Do it repeatedly. It will gradually go. Or look for apple cider vinegar. Dilute apple cider. So you take a tablespoon, dilute small with water. Then you use cotton wool. Then you apply this diluted apple cider vinegar using cotton wool around the warts. Okay, so when you apply it there, you bandage it, leave it for 3 to 4 hours. Lastly, you look for garlic. Cut the garlic into 2. The water, you apply the water around the warts. Apply the water around the warts. Cover it, leave it for 4 hours. So you can choose the aspirin, you can choose the vinegar one, you can choose the garlic one, any one you would choose. Make sure you cover it for 3 to 4 hours every day. Do it. You see that the warts will go. Warts, you cannot clear it easily. Not 1 month, not 2 months. It needs time to clear it out. You need time to clear the warts. Okay, so do this. You can clear that warts. But if you have money, you go to the hospital. They can remove it. They have a procedure. Serve 2 or 4 procedure. They have to remove the warts. If you have money, you can go and do it. If you don't have money, use the natural way, but you need time to clear it. So the virus will still stay in you. So you are treating what the virus has produced, which is the warts. Okay, but the virus will still stay in your system. The virus, they don't go easily like that. So you are clearing the warts. Don't forget, the virus are still staying there. So you have to boost your immune system. Eat very warm. If you haven't genital wart, what is called by HPV, you have to eat a lot of fruits, vegetables. Don't eat like that. Eat balanced diet. Eating that will boost your immune system. Make sure that you take daily vitamin C so that by 2 years later, this virus will go away. Okay, so this virus has to go, but it will take time for the virus to go, depending on how you eat, depending on how you take care of yourself. Okay, but it will take time to go away. Don't forget, you can easily give it to somebody. And my last advice is that if you are a sexually active person, make sure that you go for the vaccine. We have vaccine for HPV. Okay, if you know you are a sexually active person, go for the vaccine of HPV so that you protect yourself or stop multiple sexual partner. Avoid multiple sexual partner. Thirdly, when you are having sex with somebody, you have to open your eyes, see what you are eating, look at what you are eating, look at it very well. You see some of this what. If you see, you stay away, because the person can, in fact, by the time you finish having sex with the person, she has already given the word to you. Yeah, she has already given the virus to you. Some to 80% of people, they have the virus, but they don't exhibit the symptoms. That is why it is advisable to take very good care of yourself. Use condom. Know how to avoid multiple sexual partners, because this virus is really spreading. I've seen countless of messages about genital warts, and I'm like, oh, it means this virus is really spreading. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Ciao, ciao. This is Nesco Channel. Wait for the latest video. Bye bye.